Okay, day 3. It's like 40 degrees, also 5 degrees. Proper day for a cold start. Under. Day 3, Ramsey's going up for the first path. Nice and sunny out today, hence the hat. A little bit of a crosswind. DA's almost double what it was yesterday, and he was running pretty tight, so I think the plan is to just hammer it, see what happens. Racing a really cool Pro Charge pick-em-up truck. Super clean, I like this thing. I think I like that truck. Solid rip. Broke out. first pass was a breakout, so we're making another one. We're right on the ragged edge of some rain. And we got a 5-hour drive to make, so hopefully we can get it this time and not have to hand in a bad one. So we'll see. Come on. 780 broke out again. Another PFD snack check.
You bet.
There was rain and phone calls and police and guys having to pull over and check stuff, so we're on the road. We got a snack check. Day 3, handed in a decent time, not super competitive.
Better than yesterday.
Yeah, but like we were saying, first one was a breakout, so the only options were hand in that one, try to wait for the rain, and then drive 5 hours, or hand in a 30-second time slip. So
Passing mode engaged.
wrap. Anyways, on with the snack check. Personal fan favorite from last time, Ruffles Flamin' Hot Cheddar and Sour Cream. We ate half the bag because they're so good. 9 out of 10.
Yep.
Haven't found the perfect chip yet.
Nope.
9 out of 10. But then we found these fizz-free Celsius peach mango and green tea. I wonder if these have riboflavin. Riboflavin, excellent source. Survey says. I can do it. Got it.
I might give that a 9.
Ooh, those are nice.
That's a 9. I like it.
I think I like that more than the sparkling mandarin marshmallow. I think I'm gonna say
It would be a close competitor. Like maybe alternating one day one day the other would be
they're
a
definitely
deadly combo.
top 2. How much caffeine is in this? All of it?
I heard something that theirs are 200 milligram down here.
I don't know. Anyways, that's snack check. It's good. Bye. Driving through this sketchy little road, and we had to stop because this is gorgeous. Had to make the crew stop so we could get the drone out.
Day 3, snack check. We've tried Funyuns. We've tried Flamin' Hot stuff. But we've never tried Flamin' Hot Funyuns.
For Funyuns. For hot Funyuns. Funyuns.
Funyuns. Oh, that was covering your face. Let's see if I can. Oh, yeah, I think we got her. Yeah, perfect. Ooh, they're very red. I think we might have had a lifetime's worth of red dye with our snack checks. Oh, dropped one.
I like them.
They're oniony.
Yeah.
They're spicy.
7.9 out of 10. I quite enjoy those. I like the texture of a Funyun. I don't even care if they're onions or not.
I think I might go an 8.2. I really like those. I would totally get another bag. So we had a little fun. Our buddy Jake with the black Camaro hit the lid from the buried tank at the gas station and really did a number on his exhaust. So between a ratchet strap, come along, big hammers, and some self-tapping screws.
Three floor jacks.
2 jack stands for safety.
Stands, a lot of wood, some pry bars, some hammers,
Yeah.
4 ratchet straps, self-tapping screws.
Yeah.
Finally.
It did it. And he said only a slight exhaust leak, like super minor. So I think it'll work for this event, and he'll just have to rebuild his Y pipe. Anyway, we're about 8 miles from Anaconda. We'll roll into our hotel a little bit later, like 9:30, 9:45. And yeah, get ready for tomorrow.
My Anaconda don't want none unless you got
Funyuns. I like it.
Oh, hands on the wheel. Of course.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks again for watching. We've been having a blast on this event. Scenery was unreal today. And yeah, having fun. So we'll catch you later.